Now to the latest on the outbreak of Middle East Respiratory Syndrome here in Korea. And like the Health Ministry said just last week, the MERS virus appears to be on the decline, with only a very small uptick in the number of cases being reported over the past few days. For more, we now go over to the news centre, where our Han Dan is standing by. Dan, fill us in.
Mark, the government has gone all out to contain this disease on the back of mounting criticism for weak initial response. Well, after a month, it looks like things may be under control. Only 3 more cases were confirmed overnight, all of which were contracted within hospitals. One at Konkuk University Medical Center in Seoul, one at Samung Medical Center also in Seoul, and the other at Daejeon Hospital in Daejeon. As of today, Korea has confirmed a total of 172 MERS patients and 27 deaths, with the deadly virus claiming 2 more lives overnight. The deceased were aged 84 and 97 with pre-existing illnesses, including cancer. The number of suspected patients in quarantine dropped for a 4th straight day to slightly over 3,830, with about 520 being released today. There are now 50 people who have recovered from MERS. Now let's bring in another chart. If you take a look, you'll notice how the number of MERS patients undergoing treatment is clearly on the decline. We have 95 patients now being treated at medical facilities, which is 30 less patients from June 17th, just 5 days ago. It's not overwhelming, but the numbers are decreasing. Mark?
Yeah, we can see very clearly by that chart there. And Dan, we hear that Korea's business leaders gathered this morning in efforts to revitalize the domestic economy that has been hurting pretty hard because of the impact of this MERS outbreak.
That's right, Mark. Board members of the Korea Chamber of Commerce and Industry, or KORCHAM, held an emergency meeting in Seoul to seek ways to put an early stop to the MERS-triggered economic slump. Some of the key figures included Vice Chairman of Lotte Shopping Corporation Lee In-won and Shinsegae Group Vice Chairman Chung Yong-jin. They vowed to increase weakened investment, employment, and consumption through various measures. They also said they'll provide full support to attract foreigners to Korea, tourists and business personnel alike. They also urged the government to earmark a portion of the MERS supplementary budget for the nation's businesses. The business leaders are unified in their message that it is not the time for groundless fears, but rather for optimism and confidence. That's the latest MERS update. We'll have more in our future newscasts. Back to you.